You're a true Jamaican. Okay. Satai said he's a true Jamaican. Get the straw out of here. We just stopped at Rock Falling to have a nice little wash off, right, Ramses? Say yes. Now we stopped to get some jelly water. Satai wanted jelly water. Ramses is not the least bit interested in this jelly water, so he's having some Oreo cookie while Satai and I enjoy. It is so tasty. Enjoy our coconut water. Look at that. Look at that meat. You don't want the straw? It's okay, you can throw it out.